Today we have a lot of sea animals. Let's learn their names. Let's unbox the sea animal package. This is a sea animals. One by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a seahorse. This is a seahorse. A seahorse. A penguin. This is a penguin. Penguin. This is a penguin. The next one is a dolphin. This is a dolphin. A dolphin. Let's unbox another package. They are sea animals. This is a snake. A crab. This is a crab. Next one is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. The next one is a lobster. The next one is octopus. This is octopus. The next one is a catfish. The next one is a pink fish. This is a pink fish. A pink whale. This is a pink whale. A starfish.